Ek Pyar Ka Nagma, the song from film Show. Wonderful music, wonderful composition, great lyrics, evergreen, immortal song. So again, the song is on D scale. As you learned the song Ajib Das song, this song also follows the same principles of the D scale, and the clock is 4 by 4. That means 4 crotchet beats in a bar. So every beat will be a crotchet value. So 1 is a crotchet note like that. So if you see the first 1, 2, 3 bars, so you find in every room, the bar, you find 1 crotchet. That itself speaks the time sign, which is the 4 by 4. So you have 2 sharps appearing in the beginning. Key sign, the key sign belonging to D major scale. As you have learnt in my previous song, so the Ajib Dastan, you have the same scale movement. D movement as D, E, F, D, A, B, C sharp, D, and backwards D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, A, D. This is how you use your fingers and the notes that come for the song. So you have a F as a sharp and C as a sharp permanently appearing, except there may be some accidental notes like C natural coming in the middle of the song. So let's learn the song as per the note value. You have learned the complete course on and the clock and everything you know now, so you can easily follow me. So let's play. The fingering is very important. As I always been telling, always the 5 finger position like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is kept like this. So it's more convenient for using in so many circumstances. So now I move this to A position. So the finger is this. A is there, D is there, E is there, F sharp is there, G is there. A, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D. So I have my fingering ready for the movement. So let's play the first 3 bars. So I played the first 3 bars. So note reading should be done. To improve your reading, I have already inscribed the alphabets within the head of each note. So A, F, A, G, E, C sharp, A, F. That is the first 3 lines. Bar number 4, A, G, E, C. Up to here, you can play without moving your hand position. So up to bar 4, you had this movement. Now I move my hand to the E position. So I could play my C sharp, B, A. So that was the bar number 5 and 6. So now from bar number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to play continuously. So I finish the intro part. Now I come back my hand to the D position to play the song without any interruption. So that was the first movement. Ek Pyar Ka Ek is over in the previous bar. Pyar Ka Nagma hai. Then here you don't worry about how many notes appearing, which clock. You can follow the lyrics and twist the notes as it is. So change your fingering there. So then A, B, A, G, A, B, A, G, then so how it goes together. We finished up to bar 10. Continuing. That is the one way you can play. Otherwise, the another way, because of the vocal impact, we have to use certain extra notes to get that kind of a feeling, because you can't blend, you can't make a gamakam or slide from A to F. So you can only use the G which is coming after the A, G, F. So next, as usual, what we learned in the previous bar. Now I finished my fingering on finger F sharp 2. Then from there I take on for my next movement so that I exactly be on the C sharp. See, I can do in this way, or you can use the fourth finger on the C sharp when you reach. What is that extra sound I created? F, G, A, C, B, B, A, G. The B is the principal sound. I crushed the A with the B so that the A is only a decoration, articulation, or a sliding to get the effect of a vocal. So, all the notes should be connected. If you leave them and play, you won't get the quality. I never gave any break in between the sound. So, until here, continuously without interrupting or breaking the sound, you're supposed to play. So, move your hand for the E position. See how I played? So here the movement, this comes as part of our exercise. Wherever you are, you should learn this way of practicing the exercises. This is the exercise involved in many of the songs. So automatically you will be able to play these kind of moments when the song wants you to play. So we are playing. That is the movement, slow movement again. Now again I come back to the song. Now we have completed the first movement with the lyrics, and we move to the next movement of the song, which is starting as a BGM on bar number 21. So how do we play the background music? So same position, we keep the 5-finger position like the D, so, or you can use the B position because the notes are involved in that way. Oh, sorry. See, my 5-finger position from B could make me to play without any break. So, now I move my finger to 3 so that my finger number 2 reaches the F sharp. So how did I do? Again the whole first line of that 21 bar 24. How? I reach the 4th finger, then with the 3rd finger, 2nd finger reached to the F sharp. From there I take for the 25th bar. How do I take from there? We finished with the sound F sharp, and new F sharp is coming. So again 5-finger stretch from, either you can use this way, it's more comfortable than in this way, so you can use. So F, B, D, C, B, B, G. Don't leave your finger, you are in G position now. I finished. So then the vocal enters there by Lataji enters with the vocal. That's it. So the whole BGM is finished. So without interruption, I'll play. Follow me. Change your finger. Change your finger. Now the vocal. Change your finger. Finished. Now we move on to the next place. The song starts Kuch Pakar Khona. Now the fingering will be, as I told you, 5 finger position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way or this way. So we move to A and keep our finger. So I played A, D, 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 E, D, C, and you know the duration of the C, 3 beats because a minim and a dot. So once again. Next, bar number 14. There's a change there, you must be observed, you should not memorize. So, A, D, 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 F, E, D, C. Next, bar number 37, we are going to enter with an accidental sign which says, I'm still holding my hand in the position so that I don't lose my position. My finger 3, C sharp is there. Then I come on A. G1 ka, that is a G1 ka, G. So A I have reached. Now my C finger comes down because I am going to use natural C in the whole bar. Whenever the C is coming, please play C as a natural because an accidental, which is note is coming in, that is the altered sound of the C sharp. It applies to all the C's. So one C is altered means the whole bar, all the C's are natural. So I finished. So how do I come again? That's the way. Next. I finished with that with a tricky movement. Let's do it again. Or use any type of fingering and try which. That's too awkward because you may slip. So that's correct. So again. Then next. Oh my God, fantastic. You have reached up to this level, that means you are great. You have understood. Now we are moving on to bar number 43. As we learned in the beginning, it is same. Fourth finger on C sharp. That crushed note on the B, A small b, A is appearing there. Then move your hand. How did I do? So many ways you can use your fingers so that you don't get disrupted. Then, so we finished the first stanza as well. So now comes the second music. If you want to learn the second music, you can follow the notes or you can skip it. If you find it difficult, don't play because a lot of additional sound notes are involved. In case you want to learn, you can follow me. That what I played. Next. Then same style. again repeating from bar number 55. Then you have to move your hand for a higher octave. How did I do that? The first group, second one, third one, next bar, next, I finished. So, how it comes through totally? Then you know the song, the stanza of the song, how it goes. Stanza. You've learned it before. Here the style changes. The style has changed here from the first time what you learned in the previous stanza. See how my finger changed. I want the thumb on the D again last, finally, because I can do the remaining roll up. The so many notes are coming there. So, if my finger comes on F, then I am able to play. So, remaining the same. Next. Remaining the song is what you have already learned. So let me complete it. That's the ornament. Otherwise it will sound very simple. It will sound like that. So I have to give some ornaments because the piano or a keyboard sounds nice. Next. Then fourth finger on C sharp as usual. That I crush note. Then move your finger to 3. Finger 2 on A. Then only it will come correctly. Now think G position. Then finishing the song. So you have the chords, auto chords. You can use your keyboard to press the D chord, A chord and learn the song and enjoy it.